Hello, it's Gem Games here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create any mesh that you want with an AI. So yeah, let's get started. So first you want to go to the link in the description that takes you to this deepai.org. Then you want to write what you want to create. In my case it's stylized video game spaceship, high quality neutral background. Let's generate. Now we have this. Now you can just right click and save it to wherever you want. I saved it to this folder. Now you want to go to the second link in the description and you get to this huggingface.co. And here you want to import the image. You want to wait for a little second for it to load. Then you want to generate, and it will take like 20 seconds or something. Now you can see it has created this and it's looking pretty nice. Now you want to extract GLB. You have to wait a little sec again. Then you want to download GLB. Like that. Now you just want to go to your project. I have created this empty project here. And let's create a folder. Let's not call it anything. Let's import the sample GLB and just let's use the default import settings like this. Now you can see we have this spaceship, and now when we move it to level it might be a little bit small, but you can see it here, and we can make it a lot bigger, like 2 times. Oh, actually let's make this locked, and let's make it 3 times. Now you can see we have this nice spaceship here. Okay, and also you can just go to this huggingface.co and you can just try with any of these. Maybe with this one you can generate it. Then let's extract. And then you can just download it like before. And when we import this to the level, I think this might be a little bit better than the spaceship. So let's import it to here. Let's use the default settings. And let's see. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay. And let's actually play and see how it looks in the game. You can see both of them are looking pretty nice, but the dragon one is a little bit better. You can see some problems with the shadows and so on. So like you can see it's pretty dark from some places, but yeah. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.